My topic is all about Title 9, Crimes Against Personal Liberty and Security, Section 3, Threats and Coercion. Article 2 ito, grave threats. Any person who shall threaten another with the infliction upon the person, honor, property of the latter, of his family, of any wrong amounting to a crime. Ang Article 2 ito na siya'y penalty, aresto, mayor, or magbayad ka 100,000. Nasa tulo ka punishable acts. First, threatening another with the infliction upon his person, honor, or property, or that of his family of any wrong amounting to a crime and demanding money or imposing any other condition, even though not unlawful and the offender attains his purpose. Kaning first nga punishable acts is nagkuhan siya, nag-involve sa diri og money o condition. Panitan, example, si Juan, iyang gihadlok si Pedro. Nga, hindi siya mahatag og 10,000 is patyo niya si Pedro. Ang kaduha nga punishable act sa Article 2 ito is by making such threat without the offender attaining his purpose. Kani dere, wala nahatag ni Pedro ang kwarta ng Juan. Is iyang purpose ani is wala niya nakuha. Kaya ang kaning number 3, by threatening another with the infliction upon his person, honor, property, or that of his family of any wrong amounting to a crime, the threat not being subjected to condition. Kaning number 3 is wala siya, nahadlok kon siya, panitan si Juan. Iyarang gihadlok si Pedro, panitan nga Juan, patyon tika, murag nang hulga na siya ba? Wala siya condition. Article 2 right threats. It's committed by any person who shall threaten other with the infliction upon the person, honor, or property of the latter of his family of any wrong not constituting a crime, if the offender shall have made the threat demanding money or imposing any other condition. Kaning light threats is nagya po yung demanding of money or condition. Pero ang light threats is mura bitong blackmail lang ka para makuha niya ang purpose o ang money nga yang i-demand. Kini nga article, ang 2E3 is na siya penalty nga aresto mayor. Article 284, ban for good behavior is mawatag nga ni ang korte. In all cases falling within the two next preceding article, the person making a threat may also be required to give bail not to molest the person threatened, or if he shall fail to give such bail, she be sentenced to destierro. Karing nakasala sa Article 2.3 is nagahan sila ni nga kailan sila ni nga article para di na sila magsinamok sa biktima. Pero kung dili po sila kabayad is kasintensya sila o destierro. Pero kaning appeal mahatag yapon nila balik ang baliin lang na bayad once nga mahuman na ilang trial. Article 285, other light threats. Nasa penalty nga aresto minor in its minimum period. Nasa fine nga 40,000. At ang Article 285 nasa prohibited ang tulo ka buok. First is threatening another with a weapon or by throwing such a weapon in a quarrel unless it be in lawful self-defense. Kaning number 1 is naay-away nga nahitabo. Pero kani siya is nanghulga na siya ba nga na siya armas. Sa orally threatening another in the heat of anger with some harm constituting a crime without persisting in the idea involved in his threat. Kaning number 2 is tungkol din sa iyang kalagot o nang nakabanta, murag nang hadlok siya ba? Kani pong number 3 is orally threatening to do another any harm not constituting felony. Kani siya is ang third punishable act sa Article 285 is orally threatening to do another any harm not constituting a crime. Kani siya is nangulga na siya dito sa tambay, sa mga tambay. Yan nagignan nga makasang tabog tubig ron, ano ba? Kani 285 is paano na siya mga verbal threats. Ano? Article 286 with coercion, siya penalty nga prison correctional o mag-fine ka 100,000. Article 286 shall be imposed upon any person who without authority of law shall be means of violence, threats, or intimidation prevent other from doing something not prohibited by law or compel him to something against his will, whether it be right or wrong. Kaning Article 286 is ano tang namugos ka sa katawo nga buhaton nimo ang gisugo, whether it be right or wrong. Article 286, when prison mayor shall be imposed if the action is committed in violation of the exercise of the right of suffrage. Ano siya is kanatang by election may tabo murag imo tong presahan bitaw nga mutara nimo tong lain nga kandidato, mura bitaw kuno mo siya gipugos ba. Ang galing number 2, if the person is committed to compel another to perform in a religious act. Galing number 2 is kanang imong siyang gipugos nga mo perform sa ini nga religious act ba palitan ko Muslim. Murag imo kung persahan nga ipasulod sa Christian nga simbahan. And number 3, if the action is committed to prevent another from performing any religious act. Ano siya is kanang number 3 is kanang tungpungan nimo ang isa ka kamitan ako imong tungpungan ng simba. Ano diri sa number 3. 7, light coercion. Any person who shall means of violence shall raise any belongings to his debtor for the purpose of applying the same to the payment of the debt shall suffer a penalty arresto mayor in its minimum period and fine equivalent to the value of the thing, but in no case less than 15,000. Ang involved ani isang utangan kay ang pamaagi niya sa pagpaningil sa nangutang is persahan bitaw mao nang nasay penalty nga kuan arresto mayor and its minimum period and fine of equivalent of the value of the thing, but in no case less than 15,000. Any other coercion or just fixation is kanining ang offended kay murag nairita na bitaw sa offender. Unang nasay kaso nga arresto mayor or fine ranging 1,000 to not more than 40,000 or both. So do it if other similar coercion or compulsory franchise or merchandise and payment of which by means of token. Siya penalty nga arresto mayor or fine reaching 40,000 to 100,000. Ang 288 na prohibited acts. First is forcing or compelling, direct or indirect knowingly permitting the forcing or compelling of the laborer or prohibited act. Number 1 is ang labor or employee is the force bitaw niya dito sa company. So, ako na ako'y company, then ako'y laborer or employee. Ato kong employee, akong pugos dito sa ako wala yung pumapalit. Aning number 2 is paying the wage due this laborer or employee by means of token or object of over other than the legal tender currency of the Philippines unless especially requested by such a laborer or employee. Ano siya is, number 2 is, ang pamaagi sa pagbayad sa employee or laborer is on by kanagtang pamaagi niya is by token or kanagtang mga grocery. Pero kung mag-request ang laborer or employee na ato ibayad is dili ka masawan ani nga pang category. 289 formation, maintenance and provision of combination of capital or labor to violence or things. So mayon and the final not existing 60,000. Any person who for the purpose of organizing, maintaining, or preventing police force as to compel or force the laborer or employee in the free and legal exercise of the industry or work if the act shall not constitute a more serious offenses in the accordance with the provision of the PC. Ang offender is nagamit siya o panghadlok sa mga employee or mga laborer para undangan ang rally o ginapugos pag sila o kuan anang patrabaho against sa ilang rate.